Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe I'm really excited for. We're gonna be making, as you saw in the title, fruitcake cookies. Now I was originally gonna be making fruitcake, but I saw that I had to bake for 3.5 hours, so I was like, you know what? A friend told me about these ones. They used to make them with their grandma when they were little, and they come from the South, so I was really excited about it. So let's go ahead and get started. So to start off this recipe, you're gonna need some dried fruits. Now typical fruitcake takes all kinds of different dried fruits, from figs to plums to apricots. Today I'm using these funny little red and green cherries, some dried pineapple and raisins. If you like one or the other, you can omit them or just add all of them. It's up to you. This recipe is extremely customizable. Here I have a 1/2 cup of each green and red glacéed cherries, also known as those candied cherries that you see only at the holiday season. This is some candied pineapple, some chopped up dates, and some raisins. These are all a 1/2 cup each. You're gonna take all of these fruits and you're just gonna soak it in a little bit of bourbon. You only need a 1/3 cup. We're gonna put this in the microwave to get it all nice and warm. It's gonna soften the fruits and just absorb a little bit of this alcohol. Now on to the batter. This dough is really easy. Here I have 1.5 sticks of softened butter. I microwaved it a little. It's okay if it's melted. We're gonna pop this in the fridge to chill it. I'm gonna cream it together with a 1/2 cup of sugar and brown sugar. If you guys wanted to take this recipe to a whole other level, don't forget that you could always brown your butter, and that gives the cookie a very nice toffee caramel-like taste. Now finishing off with the remaining of our ingredients, this is an egg going in. And like I was saying, this recipe is so customizable that you can add all these spices or you can just omit all of them. I'm gonna be, of course, adding some cinnamon. Here I have nutmeg, allspice, and cloves. These are very strong spices. They're typical in fruitcake, so I decided to add all of them. This is only 1/8 of a teaspoon. And of course, we're adding a teaspoon of vanilla. Don't forget that all the ingredients are always listed down below to all of my recipes in the description box. The last of the ingredients here, I have all-purpose flour and a little bit of salt. And of course, some baking soda just to make sure that these rise nicely. The dough's almost mixed together, but not all the way. I'm gonna just add all the add-ins. So these are walnuts, pecans, and look, this is all of those soaked fruits. I strained them because I added a little bit extra of the bourbon. So strain it out and mix everything in. Look how crazy this dough looks, just like a fruitcake, if I don't say so myself. Now guys, this dough is ready to bake as is, but I'm gonna go the extra step and chill this in a big log and slice them so that you can see all of the wonderful little jeweled fruits. You're gonna stick it in the freezer just for 10 minutes to firm up, and then it's ready to slice. Look at that. You're gonna bake these beauties at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for around 12 to 15 minutes. Do not overbake these guys. Oh my gosh. They're ready. Wow. The house smells like a winter wonderland. Have you ever seen such gorgeous looking cookies in your life? These win the award for the most beautiful Christmas cookie this year. I mean, look at them. They're so stunning. And the best part of all is their texture. They're so gooey. They're not gooey, but they're soft on the inside and crispy on the outside. Let's give it a try. Mmm. 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 Wow. They taste in between, not really oatmeal cookie, but like snickerdoodle, rum raisin ice cream. They almost taste caramelized on the outside. Like as they were baking, they caramelized on the bottom. The chewiness is so good. Mmm. Wow. These are wonderful. I'm surprised they're not more popular. Mmm. Did I just eat a whole cookie? Uh-oh. Now if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you tried it out. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes. All of them always with a unique twist.